In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make shapes colorless in Canva. If you've ever wanted a shape to act like a window, so your background shows through, or you just need a clean, no-fill look for your layout, this is a quick and reliable way to do it. Start by opening your project in Canva, so you're looking at the design where your shape already exists. Make sure the shape you want to change is visible on the canvas. Click directly on that shape to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box and resizing handles appear around it. This is important because Canva only shows the right controls when the object is actively selected. Once the shape is selected, look toward the top of the screen for the toolbar. You should see a small color tile or swatch that reflects the shape's current fill color. Click that color tile. This opens the color panel, which is where Canva organizes colors used in your design, along with default palettes and any brand colors you might have saved. Within the color panel, locate the section labeled Document Colors. In that area, you'll see a special swatch with a diagonal slash through it. That slashed swatch represents no color, also called transparent fill. Click it. The moment you do, the fill inside your selected shape becomes colorless, allowing the background, photo, or texture behind it to show through. That's all it takes. The shape remains on your canvas, you've just removed its fill color. If your shape had an outline or border, that outline will still be visible, which makes it easy to see and move the shape around. If it didn't have a border, the shape might appear invisible at first glance, but it's still selectable and in the same position. Hovering your mouse over where it sits will reveal the selection box, so you can continue working with it without losing your layout. A quick tip as you work. Selecting the slashed no color option affects only the fill of the currently selected shape. If you have multiple shapes that need to be colorless, repeat the same process for each one by selecting them and clicking the slashed swatch in the color panel. And that's it. Open your project, select the shape, click the color tile in the top toolbar, and choose the slashed no color option under Document Colors. You now have a clean, transparent shape that fits seamlessly into your design.